What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. This video is all about the 2016 Porsche Boxster Spyder. I'm going to tell you everything I think about it that makes it a perfect sports car. Let me give you a quick walk around so you can take a look. Got a Soul exhaust on it. Sounds really nice. Finishing guards red. Did paint some additional pieces on the car. Added a wind deflector, which helps a lot. That's what she looks like. Alright, what do you say? Should we go for a drive? Let's go for a drive. Alright, here we go. Listen to that sound. It's only second gear, third gear. So, all the reasons I think the Boxster Spyder is a perfect sports car. Well, let's start. The first reason. It's affordable. Compared to a GT3 or a Speedster, you know, it's a lot cheaper. You don't really have to worry about it depreciating so much because it's already affordable in the world of sports cars. Very easy to shift. This is the car that I learned how to drive stick shift on. It's got auto rev match for the downshift. That's the car doing it, not me. The handle's great. It's got this mid-engine balance. I'm not worried about the engine hanging over the rear axle. It's got this great burble tune. If you put Sport Plus on, it'll pop once you let off the gas around 4K. This car is just very forgiving for a new driver to stick like me. It's got long gears, makes it easy to drive. I'm not always looking to switch gears constantly. It's got a dual mass flywheel, which makes it really easy on the upshifts and downshifts. I don't have to rev match on the upshifts like I do with the Ferrari 360, which was a little bit hard to figure out at first on the Ferrari. In this car, you kind of just jump in and go. Just jump in and go have fun. So, start the car, warm it up, you're good to go. On my GT3, I'm waiting for the oil to get hot. I'm waiting for the tires to get warm. I'm waiting for good weather. This car, just go. It's got PS4S tires. Just jump in and go. No need to really warm the engine too long, other than normal procedures. And the ride is very comfortable. The suspension is tuned for the street. This is a 981 Spyder, so it's 2016. It's not a GT car, so it's really comfortable. The seats are fixed back seats, carbon bucket seats, but it's very comfortable. It doesn't beat you up on bumps or potholes. I can drive this all day long. Listen to that downshift. It revs to 8K, doesn't rev to 9,000, but it sounds beefy and meaty. really helps the channel a lot. Alright guys, I'm going to be posting a Ferrari update video soon. We'll see you on the next one.